What are you making?
Confit cod loin, or sous vide cod loin, crab cannelloni with squid ink pasta. I'm making a prawn stock. I'm going to make a kind of slightly spicy tomato sauce. This is the kind of food me and my wife eat at home. Obviously, I'm going to do it slightly different. Hopefully, elevate that a little bit out of the home cooking thing.
Steve, this sounds good, mate. Very good.
Cheers.
Steve is putting lots of technique on show, absolutely. Sous videing his cod. He's making a prawn sauce. He's making cannelloni. He's making a mayonnaise. But I tell you what, it sounds really very, very good indeed.
Giovanna has wowed the judges with food inspired by her Italian background.
Giovanna's cooking us lamb. She's serving it with a Jerusalem artichoke puree, lamb sauce going across the top of it. On the side, little sweetbreads, which needs to be crispy on the outside and soft and juicy on the inside.
I really want to do well today. I like being ahead of the pack. I don't like being in the middle. I definitely don't like being at the bottom. I'd really love to assert myself, but I'm sure that's true of everyone.
Lamb and lamb sweetbreads is my idea of heaven.
That's a good start.
Giovanna, you look nervous today.
I know there's a lot of amazing food going out today, so I just have to do my absolute best and hopefully that'll be enough.
Two minutes, please, 2. OK, time's up. Please stop.
Steve has served sous vide cod loin with crispy cod skin, crab cannelloni with squid ink pasta, spiced tomato sauce, and a squid ink mayonnaise.
I'm tempted to stick a frame round it. Look at it. Yeah. Stunning piece of work.
Oh, what you got?
That bit of crab claw is about a foot long. How did you miss that?
Greg's got crab shell in his cannelloni. Saying that, I think this is fantastic, Steve. The fish is cooked beautifully, lightly salted, finished in the water bath, and it falls apart. I love those crab cannelloni, and then the sharpness of your mayonnaise underneath.
That's lovely. That's absolutely fantastic. So brilliantly designed, so well cooked. Mate, you are a talent. You are a real talent. Please don't let something as silly as this happen ever again.
I'm gutted about that, to be honest. I'm just kicking myself for doing that. So silly. But obviously that was pretty good feedback otherwise.
Giovanna's rump of lamb is served with crispy lamb sweetbreads, Jerusalem artichoke puree with girolles, farro, black garlic puree, and a lamb jus.
The sweetbread with the artichoke puree and the mushrooms and the farro and all the sauce together is fantastic. I'd feast on those sweetbreads all day long. The lamb, it's getting lost.
OK.
I'm happy with it. The only thing that's missing for me is a glass of red wine.